Good morning. Welcome to the today's class. Name of our new chapter in the land of Kerala. What is the name of our state? Kerala. How many districts are there in Kerala? 14. Which is the smallest district in Kerala? Alappuzha. Which is the biggest district in Kerala? Palakkad. Which are the neighboring state of Kerala? Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The geographical peculiarities of Kerala influences the life of living being including man. Physiography, climate and soil are the basic factors which affect the growth and development of a region. Forest and wildlife which evolved through millions of years as a result of the evolutionary process are the part of our environment. These should be protected for the existence of mankind. All developmental activities should be in tune with the geographical aspect of region. Kerala is well endowed with natural beauty, hills, rivers, backwaters, coastlines, diverse plant and animal life, and moderate climate are the special features of Kerala. What are the special features of Kerala? Hills, rivers, backwaters, coastlines, diverse plant and animals life, and moderate climate. These are the special features of Kerala. Do you wish to know more details about our beautiful state? Where is Kerala located? Kerala is located in the southern part of India between the Western Ghats in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west. Kerala is located in the southern part of India between the Western Ghats in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west. Hills, rivers, backwaters, coastlines, diverse plants and animals life and moderate climate are the special features of Kerala. Kerala is a beautiful state. There are 14 districts in Kerala. You know the name of the 14 districts? Try to list out the name of the 14 districts. Look the map. This is the political map of Kerala. In this map you can see the name of the 14 districts and the headquarters of each district. Look the map and find out the neighboring states of Kerala. Which are the neighboring states of Kerala? Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka are the neighboring state of Kerala. How many districts are there in Kerala? 14. Number of districts in Kerala? 14. Which is the smallest district in Kerala? Alappuzha. Smallest district? Alappuzha. Which is the biggest district in Kerala? Palakkad. Palakkad is the biggest district in Kerala. Identify the districts that do not have a coastline. With the map, Kottayam, Pathanamthitta, Wayanad, Idukki, Palakkad. Which are the districts that do not have a coastline? Kottayam, Pathanamthitta, Wayanad, Idukki, Palakkad. Kerala is a beautiful state. There are 14 districts. Alappuzha is the smallest district and Palakkad is the biggest district. In which part of India Kerala is situated? Southwest part. In which part of India Kerala is situated? Southwest part. Which sea lay in the western part of Kerala? Arabian Sea. Which sea lay in the western part of Kerala? Arabian Sea. Which is the northern district of Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram is the northern district of Kerala. This is the picture of political map of Kerala. In this map you can see district headquarters, state headquarters, district boundary and state boundary. Try to make more questions from this map. Now we discussed some questions. Try to make more questions related to this map. Find out the headquarters of each district.